Hey guys, so we're all ready. The boys are up. Say hi, Brincito.
Hi.
We're... Oh, okay. He's watching the CCs. We're all looking and feel good because I haven't left the house just for his doctor's appointment. The baby's doctor's appointment, and that's it. But here's the baby. Wait, can you see him? No, you can't. Oh, there you can see him a little bit. But anyways, we're dropping off at my mom's house. We're almost there. It's already 10:30, and we have to be at the doctor's by 11. So we have a long day today, and then he has another appointment at 3:30, and then we have to do some grocery shopping. We have to go to TJ Maxx. Oh, she never saw. Ma, ¿viste lo que te pusimos en el carro?
Sí, no me había dado cuenta.
We got her one of those, and we have one in ours.
Yes, sir. One more, sorry. And then for just a biscuit, please. Let it be. And that'll do it.
Okay, go there first.
Thank you for that sticker. Oh, it's got a big dip. You don't remember that cartoon, Wile E. Coyote?
No.
It was like Tom and Jerry years. Always running, always crashing and stuff.
Yo miraba el Chavo del Ocho.
Huh?
Huh?
What?
I said I've never known about that cartoon. I was not a TV lady. To wake up, oh no.
See that for it.
We just left the baby's appointment. Everything went super good. He passed his newborn hearing screen test, and the results came out perfect. I have them right in front of me. And then at 3, like I said, we have it with his pediatrician, and I have to give her a copy of this, and we should be good. And then he's gonna get a shot. I think they told me a shot or 2. So that's about it. So right now we are going to, guess where we're going? Ooh, that car. We're going to Marshall's and Ross. I have to go look at something. I forgot to record in Marshall's and in Ross, but we got the back secured.
Oh, you know what I'm paying right now?
What?
What's that drink we got the other day? Right here?
Oh yeah, Bubba's.
Yeah, that. You ready to take this? The car's right here.
Okay.
I'll see you later. Where
Don't peek in there. One of his gifts is in there. Do not peek in there. And I have his milk here. So I'm looking for something for the kids' play station. This is just like some ideas of what I'm looking for, but I didn't find anything. So we ended up just looking around and going home. Something from here. Hey guys, so it's been a really long day. We went to his second doctor's appointment. It all went good. He got blood work done, just like for some, I don't know the name anyways, but he didn't get a shot. He just got blood work. And I went to HEB already, but while I was at HEB, Bren, my husband, and Brincito got me this, so I'm gonna open it with you guys. So you get something for being a good mom. I think. Am I a good mom, babe?
I don't know about mom, but a good wife.
Oh, that is so cute, guys. Oh, I'm not wearing it right now because my fingers were all swollen. But I'm gonna put them on. I just keep forgetting because I've been home all this time.
But they go side by side.
Oh, that is so cute. So this is the L for Levi, and then I already have the B for Bourbon. That is so cute. Thank you. I would kiss you, but oh, I can reach. Thank you.
Show Brincito,
because they all go in my pinky.
Pick it out.
The other one goes in my pinky. I might have to.
So now you have Brent and Levi.
That is so cute. It's gonna look.
And
so
the capital
cool.
L didn't look good.
Oh really?
It didn't look good. Did it fit?
Well, it's because the other one fits in my pinky.
Does that one fit?
It fits, but it doesn't fit on my pinky. So either I can wear it in another finger in the same hand, or get a different size so they both fit on my pinky.
Yeah.
Ooh. Thank you, babe.
Mm-hmm.
And Brincito and Levi.
That is so cute.
Oh. at the park. But
We did go to the park.
they did go to the park, but I had no clue that they went over there. That's so crazy. Well, we're on our way home already. It's already like 8 at night. We've been up all day just
I don't
doing
see good at night.
doctors, doing errands, because we live like 30 minutes from the city, which is South Padre Island from Bronzo. So every time we come, we try to do like everything at once. So we'll see you guys when we get home.